below 5 steps. Step 1, you should know how to do side swing. If you don't know how to do side swing, I'm going to tell you right now. To perform side swing, first of all, you would have to choose which hand is going to swing the rope and which hand is going to just act as an anchor. So I'll be swinging the rope using my right hand, and my left hand will act as an anchor. So let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the basic swing, and now I'm going to swing the rope using my right hand, and my left hand is just going to follow it, acting as an anchor. And that's how you do a side swing. Moving on to the second step, we'll create an EB loop. Now this is the most significant and crucial step of this jumper trick because it requires a lot of practice, and I had a lot of trouble practicing this one. You have to create an EB loop bigger enough so you could jump through that. To perform this, you will start with a side swing, and while swinging to the left side, my right hand will touch the abdomen and my left hand will go to the back side. And this is the loop through which you would have to pass. We'll start again. Again, let the right hand touch your abdomen and left hand go to the back side. Practice this step as many times as possible because this is the most significant one, and it requires a lot of practice to create a loop big enough so you could jump through that. In the third step, we'll jump to that loop. We'll start again with a side swing while swinging to the left side and then jump. In the fourth step, after jumping to the loop, we'll just move our right hand to the right side like this, and our left hand is still to the back. So our hands will look like this, and we'll perform the side swing to our right side. Let me show you how it looks in action. We'll start with the side swing, create a loop and pass through that. And here we are performing that side swing. So this is the fourth step, and finally in the fifth step, we just have to move our left hand to the front and perform the basic swing. Let me show you how to do that. Start with the side swing, create an EB loop and jump through it, and move our right hand to the right side like this and perform basic swings. And that's how you perform an EB. So guys, this was the tutorial on how to perform an EB, but I told you how to do it by keeping your right hand in front, but it can also be performed if you keep your left hand in the front direction. I urge you to practice both in the beginning because afterwards you will forget it and you won't practice the left side because it gets really hard. I forgot it, and it was quite hard to attain that same level on my left side and the right side. Let me show you how it looks when you perform using your left side. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or thoughts, then comment below. I'll see you in the next video.